New drivers can drive like a pro with these essential tips. As the number of new drivers on the road continues to rise, it's crucial that these novices equip themselves with the knowledge and skills to drive safely and efficiently. Driving like a pro isn't just about mastering vehicle control, it's about fostering habits that ensure safety, responsibility, and confidence behind the wheel. Experts suggest several strategies for new drivers to adopt in order to cultivate professional driving habits right from the start. One fundamental tip is understanding and adhering strictly to traffic laws. Many accidents occur due to neglecting basic rules such as speed limits, stop signs, and signal use. New drivers should invest time in thoroughly learning their local traffic regulations. Additionally, defensive driving techniques are paramount. This includes maintaining a safe following distance, being vigilant of other road users' behaviors, and anticipating potential hazards before they become imminent threats. Enrolling in defensive driving courses can be an excellent way for new drivers to enhance these skills. Another critical aspect of professional driving is ensuring regular vehicle maintenance. A well-maintained car not only performs better, but also reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns that could lead to dangerous situations on the road. Regular checks on tires, brakes, lights, and fluid levels are vital components of responsible vehicle ownership. Moreover, developing a habit of staying focused by minimizing distractions such as mobile phones or loud music can significantly improve reaction times and decision-making processes while driving. By incorporating these practices into their daily routines from day one behind the wheel, new drivers can set themselves up for success on their journeys driving like pros who prioritize safety above all else.